Hey guys, welcome to another Cooking with Shan video. Today I'm gonna be making banana pudding poke cake. This video is going to be featuring my two younger brothers, Matt and E, and my kids, Seven and Sky. So it's gonna be fun. This is basically it's from the box, everything. So just bear with me.
I don't know.
You can't read?
We need eggs.
I can read.
We need eggs.
You
Eggs
need
coming. Three eggs.
3 eggs. Okay. I'm very gentle with eggs.
Me too.
Okay, give me those two.
I'm gentle too. Don't drop no eggs.
Okay, pass it to
I'm making-
Emmanuel. Let's do it like a
making
chain.
egg
You give it to Matthew, and Matthew gives it to Emmanuel, and then Emmanuel gives it to me.
Matthew,
One
give
at
it
a
to
time.
me.
Relax, Emmanuel.
Bye.
I ended up just taking the eggs because One. it just got a little much. 2, 3.
But you have to pass it to me, Matthew.
Take it. Wait, just one at a time. One at a time. Okay.
Okay.
Close it.
Be very.
Here you go.
So we crack some eggs in
Careful.
Hi, Seven.
Pour it in. We followed the vanilla cake mix box instructions. The one thing I wish we would have did though is add like bananas to the cake mix. Like, you know, like pureed bananas or like mashed bananas. The cake still came out good, but you know, looking back, it was our first time making this, and making things with kids is not easy. So yeah, just follow just follow the box mix. And what we also did was we added vanilla wafers to the bottom of our pan before we even baked it. So that was a nice add.
Cookies in there.
I baked my corn in.
Ooh.
Here, take one now and then put it all over the bottom like that. Just put it right there on the bottom.
Cookies.
Here's some.
Eat it. Good boy.
Anytime cookies are involved, Seven has to get one because he's greedy like that. He's so greedy. So Sky was the one that got involved, and my brother Matthew was feeding Seven so he could be happy. We baked for about 35 minutes according to the box's instructions. This is how it's supposed to look. Perfectly good. It's moist in the inside. Then, let me tell y'all what we messed up. What we should have done at this point was poke the holes in the cake before we made the pudding. But you know, lessons learned. We did it anyway. It came out good, but you know. So we made our pudding. We used 2 boxes of vanilla pudding mix. For this cake, you only need 1. It was our first time making it, so I wasn't really sure. So we used 2, so we had way too much. So, and first of all, I never realized how easy pudding was to make. Like, it's just literally milk in a mix. So we poked the holes in the cake, and then we poured our mix into the cake. My brother over there, Emmanuel, he's bad, so he had to take a timeout break in the middle of baking because he'll never listen. So we poked the holes, we poured our pudding into the cake. So you want to poke these holes as deep as you can, but you don't want to go all the way to the bottom, but as deep to the vanilla wafers on the bottom. And then you're just gonna add some sliced bananas to the top of that.
But I haven't heard you say a word all this time.
Mind your business. You know, what are you doing? Get your ass down.
Okay.
Don't have no behavior. You hold it? Okay. So now, put it over here. Gotta get your whipped topping, alright?
Can I do it?
Hmm?
Can I do it?
First of all, I had to do the whipped topping part because I didn't let it melt all the way. So it wasn't like frozen, but it was a little hard to work with. But then we just put the whipped topping on, and then you added more sliced bananas. And then I added some crushed up vanilla wafers. And listen, ain't nobody buying no name brand expensive wafers. The only wafers that I buy is for like stuff that I don't really use. Like we don't make this often, so I'm not gonna be buying like $2 thing. At Lidl, that was like, I think it was like 99 cents at Lidl. I love Lidl. Like Lidl and Aldi. Google it. Y'all need to be there. We made, hope you enjoy.
We hope you enjoy.
Our banana pudding poke cake.
Our banana pudding poke cake.
Say bye.
Bye.
Can I have some cream?
No, you want this?
Huh?
This is the final thing. Like, it was really good. Only thing, like, you know, these things don't last that long. I suck at cutting. I'm not making any promises. Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good? Is it good?
And don't remember, that cake can be good all day.
All day. That one said he didn't want it. I hope you enjoyed our Cooking with Shan featuring Too Many Damn Kids. But I love my little people. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye. Say bye. Bye-bye.